Today I'm going to be replacing the AC condenser on this 06 Volvo XC90. Let's get to it. First, remove the headlights to get them out of the way. Remove the pins. Then you'll just pull out the headlight. Here's the back of the headlight. You're gonna unhitch that one, and then the light down here, you actually just rotate it slightly and it comes out like that. It doesn't unhook anywhere else. Hopefully you can see that. It just twists and comes out. Now we'll take out the light from the passenger side. This is the one that snaps on. All the other ones will rotate and come out. And this comes out of the harness so that you can remove the light. Remove the 10mm screw on each side of the radiator. Now go underneath the bumper and you'll find a trim clip. So you're going to remove that one and then on the other side. To remove the bumper, you're going to now just pull pretty hard on the bumper just to release the clips that are holding it. Mine was very tight. I loosened it a bit right now, but you'll just grab here and keep tugging until it finally does release from the clips. And you're gonna go around the rest of the bumper and do the same. Release them from the clips. Now you can either reach in and disconnect the fog light, or you can do it after you remove the bumper. There's clear access to do it right now, so that's what I'm going to choose to do. Just rotate it and take it out, and we'll do it for the other side as well. Okay, so you just want to be a little bit careful that you don't want to release this portion from the other part of the bumper. It can all come in one section. You don't need to release both sides. Okay, so it'll just come off all together in one section. Okay, then we're gonna come around here and release this hose also. So to release this hose, there's a little clip right here. I'm gonna remove that clip, looks like that. then you can just release the hose. Alright, now you're going to remove this upper plastic protector of the radiator. It's loose already. It can just come right out. Okay, go ahead and get that removed. Next, you need to remove this guard underneath the car by removing these two 13mm bolts on each side. So that's what we will be doing now. Now you're going to find the 8mm screw which is holding the oil cooler, and it's right here. There's the oil cooler and the screw. Alright, now that the oil cooler is out of the way, we're going to go in here and remove the 10mm bolt. Alright, now with the oil cooler out of the way, we're going to come in here and we're going to remove the 10mm bolt right here that connects the condenser to the air conditioner. Okay, now you're going to remove another connector, which is over here on the passenger side. And you're going to look down in here, and it's that right there. So if you look underneath it, there's a, I'll show you underneath. Okay, there's a pin. There's a pin right here that you need to press up and it'll release. So press that up and it will release. Alright, so the last thing I had to do was remove, the condenser came out already. It slid right out. I had to remove this holder that was on this pipe. It was right here. So I had to remove this clip. I had to remove it from the clip. I broke it off because the new one comes with one already on there. So it was hard to not break it off. So you kind of have to break it off probably to get it to release off of this. Okay, and then the condenser slides out the bottom of the car and it's ready. We are ready to put in the new one.